Hello there guys, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your problem of eSIM not showing up on your iPhone or eSIM not showing in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, what I want to say is eSIM is not as easy to remove as physical SIM. As if you have a physical SIM, you can just remove it, clean out your slot and put it back in, but the eSIM, it's different. So the first step would be to reset your phone, but reset or restart your phone. If this also doesn't work, what I want you to do is go to your settings, then go to your general, then click on your software update, and if you have any software update that is not updated yet, then I advise you to update your iOS, since this also may be causing a problem with the eSIM not working. If this also doesn't work, then you can go to your background app refresh, then turn your background app refresh and keep it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. This will help to make your phone be refreshed when it's connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and hopefully you can catch a tower in your eSIM as well. So these two methods should definitely help you solve your problem of eSIM not working on your iPhone. But if your problem still persists, then I advise you to see a technician about it, since we cannot do anything about the eSIM, and it would be much easier to do it with a physical SIM. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing out. I'll see you in the next one.